Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove alphanumeric password from your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Suppose if you have set any alphanumeric password while unlocking your phone, it will ask your current alphanumeric password to open your phone. So here my password is Mickey20. This is the password for my phone. This is alphanumeric password that I have set already. I would like to remove this password completely and I would like to use no password. So what should I do? Here just follow my video so that you can also do it yourself. Just go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to lock screen. And here select screen lock and biometrics and type your current alphanumeric password to authenticate. So Mickey20 is my password. And now if you would like to remove completely this password and if you would like to use no password, click on the swipe or none. Okay. If you click on this swipe, then while unlocking your phone, you can just swipe so that it will unlock. Okay. So in this way, you can easily remove alphanumeric password that you have set in your phone. In case if you would like to set new password again, yes, you are welcome to set. And for that too, we have uploaded a video. I will give that video in the description. Okay, just to go to that link and learn it too. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.